this position. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind.
I am a true born Igbo man. I grew up as a hustler, struggle as an Igbo man to survive as an Igbo man. I got dreams as an Igbo man, become a big businessman. Now I've come so far, I'm now a car manufacturer. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. And so I travel as an Igbo man to escape from Nigeria. Walk the desert, cross oceans far away from fatherland. From Europe to America, Asia to Antarctica, anywhere in Africa you could find an Igbo man. North Pole Igbo man, South Pole Igbo man. No matter where you look, there must always be an Igbo man. And if you don't find an Igbo man, then you better have another plan. Cause where there is prosperity, you must always find an Igbo man. Just stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. In South Africa, Mandela, we cried to Ramaphosa. We're facing xenophobia, this is no hysteria. It's happening in Ghana, land of Kwame Nkrumah. Resented, hated, that's been the life of an Igbo man. Rejected in Nigeria, brutalized in Nigeria, suffered in Nigeria. That's been the life of the Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, we must survive as the Igbo man. I fight as an Igbo man. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sights. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Born as an Igbo man, struggle as an Igbo man, suffered as an Igbo man, will make it as an Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, must survive as the Igbo man. Igbo man, you are strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man. Through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, my fellow Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Igbo man, keep your head up, stand tall. Through the struggle we gon' rise. Igbo man, we're standing strong. Yeah.
I will tell you the afternoon. So Nindi is looking very radiant and is looking fresh and sweet. For real, I'm not kidding.
He's not kidding. Mazen Namode Kano is looking fresh and healthy. A man that eats the Irish potato with not yeah point and kill. This fish from the rivers. This point and kill from the Nile River. 3 pieces.
Rice and stew.
With stew. Sauces. I'm giving you not joke. I have the information. I can describe the food you eat in the morning. The one you eat in the afternoon.
No, brother, on your ground,
The one you eat in the and the salad always do Monday till Sunday. The first month to the last. How you order sister to cook
paranoid, you know.
the wonderful fried rice
Paranoid. I am
in the
paranoid,
afternoon.
you know. I am paranoid. I am paranoid, you know.
We guy POB Kujime Buga.
Hey, God. Okay, once again, I welcome you all to this live broadcast, and we are going to start without wasting much time. It doesn't matter how many we add now because I have to run this program sharply. Of course, I have time for that now. So permit me to start without wasting much time, but I have to greet all of you on the comment section, although few of you on the comment section for now. We have our own brother, Ogwejo Fan. I see you. Say good afternoon, Mazekai. Good afternoon to you, Ogwejo 4. And you said again, I'm enjoying the song here in the world. Thank you for that. Water Bright says, Brother Kai, good afternoon to you, Water Bright. And Ogwejo 4 again, okay. How do we get this level, Biko? How do we get to this level, Biko? Okay. My brother, people that started it know, they know how do we get here, okay? They know how we got to where we are now. And I'm not here about that though, to be honest with you. I just want to share something with us because many of you have heard about Dead Man Squad. I don't know. Is it new thing to you? Or have you heard about it before? Or anybody discussed that with you? Something like that. To me, PM is one that actually made mention of that to my hearing about Dead Man Squad, you know, and I don't know much about it, but you know, whenever you are doing something, people that are very close to you, okay, or even whenever you are talking about something, there are some people that know it, they're like an insider that know that thing better than you. So this lady called Nneka, you know, is he's DUS, not DUS, IPOB, he was supporting them. I don't know. You know, they have different issue now. So he's part of a Methuselah as we speak. This lady called Nneka. And this is the same Nneka that Pineapple Haircut Woman, Nneka Chimezie, you know, was calling people to go and report her platform, if you remember. So she has something to say because there's something going on now. I want to share this with us because we often hear someone maybe unable. And the buy, I've asked this question. How many groups are bearing Ngwaya, bearing catapult in our land? How many groups? I'm talking about the one that is somehow official. It's not gonna come from me, but I'm gonna play a video of Nneka so that maybe somehow that may be of help to answer those questions that may be difficult. All right, so let's go there. Pay attention, please.
Ikenguru Atl sold one of ESN 40 million
Listen,
naira.
we're not gonna waste much time. Just
Evidence. I will play video. You will see by yourself. When we are telling you guys that China Sawanketa is killing our people, you people think it's lie. China Sawanketa and the Ikenguru Atl. You know the person I'm talking. Ikenguru Atl, Ikengu Nyoshi. They sold one of our ESN, one of our real ESN to 40 million naira. This is what happened. When they captured the, I will show you the picture of the guy, the video. When they captured the ESN guy, the foreign came to IPOB platform, WhatsApp, and told media warrior to go out there and defend the ESN guy they captured, that he is our own, that we should go out there and defend him. After some minutes, foreign deleted that post on WhatsApp. The next day, Ikengu Urunsi made a video and said that the ESN guy is our own, that he used to speak with him and the foreign and the Shina Sawanketa, and the guy is our own. So he defended him there. When the Kenga went out on Radio Biafra again to broadcast after 1 week, he denied the ESN guy because of what? They have already saw the broadcast the guy made when police captured him, because he implicated, he So, you know, we are telling you guys, this is what is happening. You guys don't want to listen. Then, after that, do you know the reason why the police arrested this guy? China Sawanketa and Ikenga told this guy, the ESN guy, to go. They sent him to deliver. Yeah, they sent him to go and collect something somewhere. The guy with that thing, ka police men and the guy arrest. They set the guy up. Ikenga Urunse, how I set this guy up. You know, so then the reason you set the guy up, because now the guy ESN, the real ESN, that guy is a real ESN, because not find out that na China Sawanketa Tiriana group, his deadly sword men, and deadly men sword, or he China Sawanketa, ihona bonding, ihana oha na Biafra land. Yeah, those part of people who recruit to fake ESM. So we no jetinye this guy na group. That people ndane busi ndị bai were na kidnap ndị man na buchan our people imepim anwu ozugbo we not this guy na that group. So the guy this ES guy we chọpụta, this ESN guy we chọpụta na group si na Sawanketa tinyere ya abụọ the real group. O we kpọchi na Sawanketa na asị ya, put me in the ESN. I found out that this where you put me is not the real ESN. I want you to put me in a real ESN. That was the only thing. That was how they sold this guy to Nigeria. Now this guy, they capture him. He's in the hand of Zoo government now. So I will play you the video, and so that you people will see what these people are doing, especially China Sawanketa.
Now, the same people will turn around and tell you that some Nneka boys. That some Nneka is the one. That some of them even went as far as saying they don't bear arms. Only some Nneka. In one of China Sawanketa's video, he said that no, doesn't make chief. Only the guy is claiming what he did not do. I follow him. That the guy is claiming what he did not do. Those of you that know this, I believe it's not gonna be kind of difficult for you to understand what I'm saying. I believe you must have heard this from him. I believe you must be aware of what I'm talking about. But for the fact that they are doing this kind of thing and constantly calling PM out, they minimize this, they minimize that. Have you asked yourself why that guy, which is lady who is going to play now, show you now, mention China Sawanketa in that video? Have you asked yourself why? Because for the person to say that, the guy to say that, not sponsor China Sawanketa, get it? Because even in Nneka, this lady says something about that video that my mind have not even, crossed, like, we have not gone to that part. Normally I just play it and felt like, okay, he called China Sawanketa, but I don't know the background of the case, like which group that guy belongs. The guy is not even ESN, because you are going to hear him mentioning that They asked him how long have we been doing what I do? He said that it's 2 years. Here in Jideka, so she will explain it better. Listen.
China Sawanketa even came on Radio Biafra and told us that DSN guy, the DSS may arrest that yes, when a group the guys near on a group see another group. That is group of his deadly sword men. Or deadly men's sword.
Dead man's sword.
So near go to this our re-ASN. But the guy in the chapters here or West Yamba. I can't work with them again. Put me in the re-ESN. What are the guys when you say so? China Sawanketa na Ikenguru atro. Well, this guy 40 million naira evidence day. 40 million naira he sold to this guy. Now can I play go do the video before met upon the analysis? Because we are telling you what is happening in IPOB. And some people are out there calling us names. These people have finished our people. They don't come for struggle. They have sold the struggle. They are working for federal government. They are working for politicians. We keep on shouting. You guys think that we are just, doing saga. We are not doing saga. We are telling you everything reality and with evidence, So, let's play the video first for you to see. Utwas well around 19 ASN Mazin Nneka set up. Men establish kahaje we this boy well Nneka the zoo agent na ya mo mebugo this boy na mo kanondo ka ono no hondo ka unu ge we could have got the video mana we could na got ihe men o ya ka nji choka nkowa no ko no ihe men there.
Tell us, where do you guys come?
Our camp was there for back of that police station for Afaka, but how long now? Since 6 or 7 months, we don't have any camp now.
So they just why? Why not the camp?
Because of Iran, police they find me.
Okay, that is the way they feel that.
Because he run, police they find him. Because this guy Ajugo no ya haruzi with China Sawanketa. No ya haruzi with those guys about that he have found out that neboti ejeroboro abro ebo kwesi no neba a fake ESN China Sawanketa men establish. Negenanti.
Your men follow now. How will I kill him?
Yes, now my man will go Holland. The person will shoot the ESN a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1.
Who the sponsor you?
Now China Sawanketa.
From where? Where is from here?
In that blood.
Unananu ya na ndị gburu eze enwe eze dị ya ka aje gbuo no free man with the other guy. This guy no na afu na aha ya we ejima ka onye we ejima the commander of that deadly squad that China Sawanketa men, that is the commander of deadly men squad onyo na ya we ejima. So China Sawanketa we die ha the 3 free man na ya wana de onye nke ọzọ ha je egbu eze ya ka na ajụ ya ka ndị gbuze dị ọsọ no that free man na the other guy ọkpọrọ aha ewesi aka onye dị ya ha wesi no China Sawanketa dinye ha ọkwụ nọ ya ka ọ rewind ya ka unu ge ọzọ ndị wine ya ka unu ge ọzọ can push you back a little bit.
Na China Sawanketa
Mbashe
free man with the sky.
Your men follow now. How will I kill him?
Yes, now my man will go Holland. The person will shoot the ESN a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1.
Who the sponsor you?
Now China Sawanketa. China Sawanketa.
From where? Where is from here?
In that blood.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Me.
No,
China
China Sawanketa. I just know as a DOS commander.
US commander for what?
From ESN.
So how long has this been sponsoring you guys?
Getting to 2 years now.
Him and who?
Unananu ya getting to 2 years now. Na China Sawanketa na ya wo commander ndi DOS. Now I say no IPOB DOS. Yeah, if na group ha dị iche. We say how long ka made this or say not 2 years. Ngwa kenu mgbe mere ESN ke ma leader inaugurate ESN. Is it not 2020?
Yeah.
Man, this guy age there na 2024. ngwa count 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 4 years. Eji me establish ESN ewejide this guy. Ma na go no 2 years. Kashina Sabido we sponsor her. That was that was that time Obido we draw some a few members, just few people from ESN we may as a squad ndo neji bunde mad na kidnap na enye ndị politicians. Una mana ESN na when ndị nke na guide Madam Chimezie. Madam Chimezie nwe ESN under Chinasa Wanketa. Madam Chimezie nwe ESN nke Chinasa Wanketa chinyere na guide ya on ya ndị no under Chinasa Wanketa, those fake ESN. That is an ha deadly men squad. Akun was not 2 years. 2 years, I know 2024. Ngwa calculate is 4 years after Ewebe Meya Ewejide this guy. Man not 2 years ago. Chinasa Wanketa bido we sponsor her. We here na go no. Immediately kidnap our leader. These people separate here everything. Ma abandon in everything. Of more fake ESN. 2 years now. 2 years Kahanoguru. Chinasa na take care of them. Maka ono nke in also not 4 years. Imano mgbe nke Mazi Nneka na this guy can work under the nke re ESN Mazi Nneka no.
When PM Samanaka was making this broadcast, raising this alarm, people think it's just mere propaganda. But hearing it from an insider like this means a lot. Do you understand? Hearing it from an insider like this means a lot. Some of you may not understand what this is all about, because you are not, maybe you are not here when it was very, very hot in terms of what they say about PM and who they want people to see PM to be. The attack and lies is not here. It is out of this world. But thank God that everything is now falling into place because we cannot see the mindset of these people. Forming the group, the time frame, because I believe that is the 2 years that he mentioned. I believe they formed that dead man squad, before that. I think Masakano was here when he formed it, but it was not, as he started it just like gradually. And once again, when they said that some people are ESN, BLA, committing this, they're committing that, who told you? Few days ago, when I was playing Hunter's video, Hunter said, "Imakwande, Chinasa Woluji, no man, a man that is holding lions." That's what he said. That if he release it out of anger now, no one will be above. Training. Masakam did not build ESN for the ESN to be under one man like Chinasa Wolu. I don't think so. I started to be corrected because I'm not sure, but I don't think that Masakam build ESN to be under Chinasa Wolu. So now that he has his own group, and how can you now say that this group is crime free? Like they don't commit what they normally say that PM committed. Enforces it at home and all that. We need to be very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. So that you are not going to rise against somebody that's actually helping you, thinking that the person is part of your problem. If not that this lady maybe because she's an insider, but they now have differences, she's not exposing this truth.
Men establish. But this guy Yamaro, no na Chinasa Wanketa, no na fake squad, no ndi nebu mad, ndaneje kubusinde mad ka Chinasa Wanketa JTN. So immediately this guy found out what was going on. He now called Chinasa Wanketa, see, Chinasa Wanketa, I want you to put me in the real ESN. Where I found myself is not where I supposed to be. This is not the real ESN. Put me in the real ESN. The original real one. Eto aka Chinasa Wanketa ni kengu onyoshi si we blackmail or this boy. We let this boy 40 million naira. 40 million naira. If you don't I got evidence. evidence 40 million naira ihe ale this guy when ego ikenga onye oshi after na Facebook na akọgheri ọ bụ na nwere program watch ikenga mere I think ikenga onye oshi me na 2024 I think before ejide this guy ọ bụ no na ejima bụ one of their own that he always speak with ejima that he always speak ejima on phone broadcast, yeah. Some of you will get that broadcast. We are telling you guys, here these people may gonna be for land. Here these people may go and continue. That is why had you now bomb book a mazin Nneka no okay boy ka take you over we destroy Biafra land because of getting politicians say go ha. But some of you may follow her. Only a message regret here. Every sense you know because be on ego na ihe. Instinct. Did
you hear that? When some people say that, other people think that the person is lying, you know, you are being harsh, you know what I mean? But they are telling you that it's true. How can you doubt that? Let's continue from her.
Now these people, now these people will killer. All this kind of people can make kidnappers na Biafra land. Onye chọrọ mmadụ ibi okwu send ya ha nwụrụ ozugbo gbuo. Onwe politicians chọrọ ka egbuo send ndị a heje gbuo. Onyawa. But when this guy found out Chidansa nwa nkịta afụzie na this guy nọ na side of Maazị Nneka na ọ jụghị work with those people. If ọ na ya gbara ọsọ na police na achọgharị ya since ya because of gịnị na ọ chọpụtago na Chinasa Wanketa na achụ ya because ọ dịghịzi obedient to Chinasa Wanketa.
Okay.
It has let this guy wele n'aka ndị Fulani. Ka I play top the something. All of you na support ihe ọjọọ. Ụdị ihe na-eme this guy na ụdị ihe na-eme na Biafra land ọ ya kpọta unu n'ihu kpọta family unu n'ihu. Ebe unu ya afụcha eziokwu nwaanyị imiezi apụta na aghọgbu unu. Nwaanyị imiezi apụta na destroy everything anyị na-eme because of gịnị na aka ya dị n'ihe ị na-eme. Ana agwa unu pụta don't follow these people. Nanda she finish our people no simba. How about have fabricate your lies? But no, they will never show you any evidence for one day. Neje get up on here. Onofu. Name.
People will be able to be honest with you.
To carry out activities in Imo State.
Now, this guy, that 40 million could just be shared with maybe 2 people or few other people that actually are aware of this plan. I don't care about the money they make, though. Personally, I don't care. My problem is about the whole thing is after doing all those things, everything that happened in Eastern part in our land, you now say that, oh, Simon Ekpa, man. Do you understand? Because they want PM to bear the consequences of what their man is doing. They be the first to raise our land. And they will buy what you committed in our land. How can you come? Master don't want to reintegrate it. How can you say you should work with people that don't able to buy? As I said that, last week we said that Nneka Chimezie will be saying the same thing. Then Ikenga and they will be saying that all of you talking about Biafra, how can you not defend IPOB or Biafra movement? Why some of the people who claim to be a principal officer, maybe a coordinator, you know, or DOS, an old member, on his camera start telling you, the person will be telling you that, look, oh yeah, we know the key person, but this one the woman. Then saying that you are giving license to other people or another group who actually hate anybody talking about Biafra. That's why I felt like some of them don't know, but you know, they don't know when to start and when to stop and how to start. They're actually confused. Some of them will say, yeah, we in as much as money is coming, it doesn't matter. They can say anything just to blackmail other people. Now, what is the job of that? What the dead man squad? What is their job? Remember, according to this interview, this guy admitted they have buy Eze. So what did that Eze, what did he do to Dead Man Squad that they're being mapped out to buy? What is his job? It was also alleged that during the transition after ESN, after the kidnap of Pastor ESN members started running from pillar to post, looking for a way and all that. It was alleged that people also pied. They started pointing hand and begin to pick people apart simply because some of them is because they are listening to PM broadcast. Some because they felt that this person is actually loyal to PM. They started picking them and eliminating them one by one. Very, very serious issue, to be honest with you. But the attention and focus will always, of course, on something else, because nobody wants this kind of thing to be shared. Anyway, listen.
Yes, sir. So which other people where they him and who? Him with okay foreign. To carry out activities in Imo State. Sir? To carry out activities in Imo State. Yes. He sponsors the people to carry out. Yes, sir. So which other people where they already follow Chinasa the sponsor? Only okay foreign with the Chinasa where they sponsor us for blood. The other man for village here now, Italy's how is it?
I know what you
mention okay foreign.
Hold on. Even the local one, like people in homeland, nobody know their face. You don't know them. In abroad, China's the world. Do you know his face? No. This is okay foreign. I don't know the person, and I believe many people don't know them either.
This guy, okay foreign, Bundi gangsters, Chinasa Wanketa, or Hancha on XDOS, Ndo to her, or share to the media platform, WhatsApp. War message there. See all the media warriors that we should go out there and defend this guy. Now this guy won Kai. Mbaka jideri offer. Ozugbo mezi broadcast. Ikengu unyoshi deny ya sini ama hakwa onyo na ama hoyo. Manu ikengu unyoshi put na platform ya na agba ayi si ayi na ejima na ekwu mgbe obana that he always speak with ejima. That ejima is our own. That na on call all the time. Mgbe this guy mechazi this broadcast o me na Ikenga unyoshi after na radio Biafra ime broadcast na deny say onye ukwono ejima na ama akwa onyo deny bazie ya ozugbo because of gini na half go this broadcast this guy mere when implicate
the guy has already indicted them.
Yeah? Ihe no na SDOS arụ. Ihe arụ na ha na arụ. Few of you ana support ihe ọjọọ. Asị m unu ka unu ha na support ihe niile na emenu. Unu machicha na ihe a dị ihe ọjọọ. Lesi m onye amarọnụ. Unu machicha na ihe niile ndị a na-eme na ha na-eme ihe ọjọọ and ihe ha na-ekwu ka ha wee destroy ya Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Unu na support. Ihe na ya abịa gbadoro unu n'otu n'otu. Ihe ọjọọ ya na-akpọ n'ohi ụtụtụ ehihie anyasị abalị etu akwa ya dị and otu akwa ya dị na aha Chukwu Okike abịa ma ise Elena nwanne anyị
Chinasa Nworu, the reason why they tell us he say this is Bible people.
Can play again, Chimezie interrupt so that you gonna wash you off. I shan't have video the long.
How long?
And there like this, yeah. One week phone made you go. Agwagomono, these people, if she na asa one keta, if Madam Chimezie, if Kara White barrister, if Abany 21 bottles we make Abanyim. Ikenga uru nsi ha ncheri na aka ha niile ha ndị na-abụ that is how we pelima how the worst people enwe in Biafra land. You need to see how worst people ha ya na-arụ ha ya na-arụ pụtakwa in the open na defend onwe ha na-arụzi onye ọzọ aka si na onye ọzọ na-eme ihe why not ha nwa na-eme those things na-eme they na confuse people out there. Madam Chimezie nwere ESN fake ESN all this nke a na ndị a na-akpọ deadly men squad yeah Chinasa Wanketa deadly men squad. Madam Chimezie Chinasa Wanketa kponyere ndị nke na nesu ha na anọ on mufti a na-eche ya nche na-anọ mufti. Ha amachi ihe ha na-eme, ha ama ihe ha na-eme, mana it shall not be well with them. And ihe na ha na-eme, ha emegide one day iko ha ya eju.
I tell you.
Iko ha ya eju. Look at how they sold our brother because of gini. Now this ESN guy chọpụtara ihe na-eme no. West Chimezie Wanketa, I want to be in the real group of ESN. N'ebe ya nọ kịta awụrụ ebe ya kwesịrị nọ n'ọbụrụ iri ESN group. N'ihe a kpọtara ebe awụrụ ihe akpa ha bịara ime. Na ya chọ ka o tinye ebe. Achụgharịwazie this guy na-agbagharịzi. Chimezie Wanketa na Ikenga wee di this guy si ya nwe ebe ha dị esi ya je ka o je nwe ihe a deliver ka o weta datin. O chekwa na eziokwu. Ebe a ka o jeziri DSS. That was how it happened. Chimezie Wanketa shall not be well with you. If onwe ya akpọghị ihu, ihe na-eme ndị be anyị, Chimezie Wanketa na-eme ndị be anyị, onwe ya esughị ya emere ya ebere. Ka ụnụ ha madam Chimezie ma Tony one bottle nzuru m iko, ka ụnụ niile ha na STOS ya wee na-arụ anyị ụnụ na-arụ na-emegide ụmụnne anyị. It shall not be well with you guys. Look at ihe unu mere nwa mmadụ. Look at ihe unu mere nwa mmadụ wee la ya n'aka ndị ilo. Because
how much if I've done a wagon or yours on me? No, yours on me. What the same group of people got Finland, they got this fire. In case you have forgotten, what the same people got Finland got this fire. Now, someone up and on me dota na buy. Nobody give dota na buy. Like play. On up at a cool. Now look at it. Nah.
How do you say work with you? If all you work with you, I could only do a group of Ikenga. Group of Ikenga, how work on a no work, quasi haro, model speak, quasi haro, head deliver haro. Now, no museum, Madam Chimezie, recruit to see ya, got up on horo. Mana eyeing on social media. He know name one day. Monkey go market, go
never come back.
Monkey go market, I'm very, very sad that no you made all these things na secret. Put that if on social media, ben I claim on the holy you another if you don't know the holy, no mean well for Biafra. Without knowing that no mean her well for Biafra. No to use we CCI on choro. Because of getting federal government and you go nego. My go federal government and how my pray actually IPO you Namaz and Nandekan. I don't know how many million I'm up. How many of 500 going to was body self 500 million Connecticut body ejiwe kwanya ejiwe destroy Maazị Nnamdi Kanu destroy ya IPOB o ihe nyechara unu ihe kesara unu wee banye ọrụ but it shall not be well with you. My end of this broadcast it shall never be well with you. One day ikunu yeju and onwu yegbu unu ama meno nebere.
Now, what do you have to say about this? Because everything that PM said about these people, in as much as you don't like PM and all that, is okay, you understand? But you can also agree that everything PM said is what these people are now validating about Chimezie Wanketa. PM always says Chimezie Wanketa, every now and then, because he knows a lot. And since the guy joined IPOB before the formation of ESN, he refused to show him, his picture and all that. Because if you got a picture email like this, you have to, from day one, you already know that this is what you want, and you work towards it. That's what I felt that happened here. Anyway, there's just a moment. Let me bring this up. Okay. I don't know about this person because the name is Lion Man. I don't know. This Lion Man says something about Nozonkwa. Okay. But that advice is not, I see that as something strange. But maybe it's not, because I do hear about Lion Man. I don't hear about. I don't know the person that bear the name though, but I have heard about that name. So seeing this post made by a lion man, I was somehow interested to know what the post is all about. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one out. He said here, as you can see here, he said, this is Lion Man. Nonsonkwa, let me help you about Martin Americano. Let me reduce it a little bit because it seems like it's too big. Nonsonkwa, let me help you about Martin Americano. If you have voice in Southeast, be careful in taking Namordecanos were serious. I knew in one way to another, he may have communicated with you, trying to cover up his manipulation against the innocent woman. Lion Man, Liony, or whatever, we advise you, associate. Oh, I think actually could disassociate. Associate with Mass Gamma with your brain intact. Otherwise, he will rubbish. Okay, associate with Mass Gamma with your brain intact. Otherwise, he will rubbish your reputation. Study Mass Gamma very well. Know when he wants to rubbish you, and distance yourself from him immediately. If Mass Namorcano can targeted Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Michael Zuckerman and ask some expelled IPOB members to blackmail those two honorable men who did more than enough for him in the spirit of love. I wonder what will happen to you when you will no longer be this. When you will no longer do his will. Okay. I wonder what will happen to you when you are no longer do his will. This is my kind advice to you. Just stay clear from him, mister. You better speak for our people than to speak for a man who speak other things and does another thing. They want man say, I am Lion Man. This advice is satanic. What the person is trying to do is don't add a voice. Let the person will be and prove himself and all that, because to him, he don't like Master Namorcano to be mentioned. They whatever goddess. We are not going to waste much time. I don't think I will spend more up to 1 hour. Okay, I just want to do this a quick reaction. That's why we decided to just drop this reaction, and because I don't know if I will have time later or not. You understand? Now, the agenda is very simple. Do not allow anybody to speak on Master Namorcano's on his behalf. Let him defend himself. Whereas you yourself talking, you are recruiting and you are doing other dirty business. So it is now very, very clear that Dead Man Squad is, because people have said in the past, but some people like me, I'm kind of doubting that. But why would I doubt it when the people that are involved are making this kind of comments and, of course, behaving like not normal? It is very, very sad. Very, very, very sad indeed. So anybody talking about Master Namorcano, you will be targeted. That's what they're trying to tell you, because for this person to warn Nonsonkwa to stay away from anything that concerns Master Namorcano. So you don't know how many other people that he has done the same thing to, because as long as you are not pushover, you will become a problem to them. But if you can just be naive, they don't need to waste much time on you. They know what to do already. You see. All right, so I'm gonna end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I don't want to waste much time. If I finish on time, I will come back again. Please take me the way you see me for now. Okay. God bless you and take care of yourself. And if I'm gonna see you again, all of you in the comment section, don't forget to share this live broadcast. And like I said, if you finish on time, I will be back again for another, topic. But don't forget that this exposition from Nneka is worth sharing, because we often hear about Dead Man Squad. It is not clear. We don't know who is behind it. You understand what I'm saying? And those of you that have been saying that these guys are good in picking and buying people and all that, that's your claim, that your statement has been validated, because people are saying the same thing that people used to say. When people criticize China as a world, this lady you are seeing here was in good time with China as a world. But today, I don't know. Please let me know what you think. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.